Hello YouTube, welcome to Angelo Crypto. In today's video we will be covering the latest developments with Lucid. I am a big fan of this company. I believe in its business model and honestly like its cars, man. I like the model, I like the performance, and if we see actually from the website, we see that the official EPA range is up to 520 miles. So that's definitely something good and something interesting. Looking at the stock, the most recent news for this week, well, we did join the Nasdaq 100, so that was definitely good for the stock. That shows that the company has potential. Next, looking at the stock, we do have some details to point out. Looking at the technical analysis, well, starting from last week, we did reach a low of $36, and the week actually was pretty interesting. On Friday, we did open very low. We opened at $36 from actually 40. So, and the stock did manage to recover. So that was an interesting day, Friday. And this kind of shows that this stock has potential. Considering all what happened on Friday, the market sell-off, this stock did hold its ground. So it's definitely good, you know. Next, looking at some more details, we have an interesting factor to point out over here. Looking at the balance of market power, well, we are seeing a increase in bull pressure. This kind of signals that there might be a change in the trend of this stock. This means that we have actually more room on the upside. As of right now, there are the uncertainties of the SEC filing that has caused investors some fear, and yes, that was part of the reason why there was a sell-off in the beginning of December. But yeah, those results are still yet to be declared. What's going to happen? But end of the day, Lucid is have not been found guilty of anything. So as of right now, we are just talking speculations. Now, there's also another interesting detail to point out. If we look at the Stochastic Macd, starting from December 10, well, we are seeing a decline on the momentum of the stock, but we are also seeing that the price is increasing. So we're kind of getting to some degree, a small divergence over here between what the indicators is saying, between the declining trend of the indicator and the uptrend that we are seeing on this short-term period on the stock. So that kind of, yeah, that raises some questions, but that also gives some hope that hey, you know, this stock might be bound for a change. As of right now, we are slowly beginning to enter oversold area, which makes this stock even a better buy because we are talking really cheap prices. So that's one more reason why would I buy this stock. Looking at the volume analysis, Friday was intense. We did have increasing trading volume, actually above the average rates, but still, that didn't actually push the stock up, but it did compensate for that drawback that was on Friday. The stock opened low and it still did manage to recover some of its losses, but it's still below the highs of Thursday. It is still below the area of $40 per share. So yeah, we would wait what's going to happen on the next weeks. Overall, I am bullish as of right now for this stock. This stock did manage to hold its ground for the week, considering all the sell-off and considering all the uncertainties that are happening as of right now on the market. We still do need to remember that, hey, we have uncertainties coming from China due to the fact that Evergrande is going into default rating. That's sparking fears for a possible real estate crisis over there. We also have the fact that the US, the Feds, they stopped, well, they are slowing down on the bonds, on corporate bonds buying program. So yeah, there's been a lot of macro events recently. There's also the inflation hitting all-time highs of 6.8%. But this stock, it is still holding its ground. So that's interesting, and that do give some hopes that hey, this is going up on the short term. I feel positive about it. Next, looking also some more details. If we were to analyze the short interest, we are at 8.18%. So that kind of tells that hey, we do have some short interest over there, but it's not anything to worry about or that to give a hint that everybody expects this stock to go down. So yeah, I feel bullish as of right now for this stock. Looking at the technical side as of right now with the chart, yes, I am on the long side of it. Next, looking at the long-term approach, I strongly believe this is a good company. I mean, I hope that they haven't done anything wrong and the SEC investigation says that they have done shady businesses with their with their SPAC filings. But for the long term, I do believe they have a nice car. I do believe they have something really good to deliver, and yeah, their business model looks pretty cool. The fact that they have a charging time for up to for 300 miles for 20 minutes, that's really convenient. That makes it super simple, and yeah, people can just take a coffee and yeah, charge their car. These are the three versions. I like them, and yeah, overall on the long term, strongly bullish on Lucid. All right, guys, that was for today's session. Thank you for following Angelo Crypto, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video.